welcome to my channel. Today we are here to review the new Natasha Denona Tan Bronze palette. I have it in front of me. I ordered it from Beautylish. I thought it was going to be easier than trying to order it from Sephora, so I received it. And I love the packaging from Beautylish. This little box, it comes like a little gift, so I do enjoy that a lot. And it comes wrapped very nicely. The packaging is very, it looks like they put some time into packaging. So kudos to Beautylish. They're really very quick in shipping, and they're always very quick when it comes to customer service. So I recommend buying from them. So let's open this up, see how she looks. I had it in my closet for a little while, but I haven't had a chance to actually sit down and review it. Oh my god. See? This is what I'm telling you. Packaging is everything. There's no way this is going to be broken. Okay, here it is. Yay! Okay, so Natasha Denona Tan Bronze and Glow palette. I have watched her video on where she teaches us how to use the palette, in which order, like 3 times. I actually did it to prepare, think about which brushes I should be using. So let me get rid of this trash right here. So here it is. Here she is. The packaging very similar to the Bloom palette, which I like a lot. And here it is. It has a nice mirror. It comes with a little flap, plastic flap, clear. Same way than the Bloom palette. It has, this is the bronzer. And there's only one cream product in this palette. Hold on one second, I'm gonna get my roommate Paco out of the room. So we have 4 different pans. We have the the bronzer. We have the cream, which I think is going, I'm gonna get my glasses, because I pulled it up on the Sephora app so we can read what it is. Even though I didn't buy it from Sephora, but you know. Okay, so we have the Glow Cream Base, the Super Glow, Glow Impact Powder, and the Blush and Bronze Powder. So this is the bronze and blush powder, the Super Glow Cream, the Glow Impact Powder, and this one over here is the Super Glow. So I am excited to try it. I will put, after this, I'll put some swatches. I have the, this is the Glow Gasm face palette from Tilbury. And I also brought it here because I bought a while ago, and I still have it on the case because I think it's super cute. This is the Benefit Cheerleaders Bronze Squad. And from here I'll be able to compare 2 of the bronzers that come in this palette. And I think they're very popular, so you will be able to see if it will work for you. It has this is the regular Hula bronzer, and this one is the caramel bronzer. Okay, so I'll insert some swatches in between this video for you guys to see the comparisons. Okay, so let's play with this. I have 3 brushes. This one looks a little bit similar to the one that Natasha Denona was using. This is the Sonia G, I think it's a face brush that comes in the kit. They don't have a name. Oh yeah, it's the one that looks like this. Let me put it like that, like people to show it. So we'll use this one from the bronzer. I actually have 2. I have one from Linda Halber collection, but the one that I saw her applying the glowing powders with was like a flat one. So I took my Luxie 516 and I cut it because hers was flat and I don't have any flat brushes, so I'm sorry Luxie, but I cut it flat to see how it looks. So we'll use this one for the glows. And of course, my beauty blender, I use that for the cream. That's how she applies it in the actual video. So let's do this. I have my little cat ears so I don't get it on my face. There we go. And I will go ahead and let's get started. I have my mirror over here, so you see me looking at this is because I'm going to be using it to apply. Alrighty, let's play with this. Start with the face. I did put a little bit of blush on me because I don't know if a brown blush will make me look. I just didn't know. So I put a little bit of cream blush a little while ago, so it's already set. So let's start with this. And I see that she uses like circular motions, and she starts over here and then she goes like down into under your cheekbones. So let's try that. So she goes like that. Ooh. That's like a lot. Okay, let me shake a little bit. Okay. And she uses this here on her face. Okay, even though it looked like I put a lot, let me use a different blush, kind of like one without the powder, to help it. There we go, that's better. And I'm actually gonna put it all over where I will put my bronzer anyway. I'm gonna use a little bit more, but I'm gonna just barely touch. I'm afraid. Okay, let's try this one time. That's better. Just barely touch it, people, barely touch it. It's a lot of pigment in there. Okay. I'm gonna turn on the beauty light so you can see a better application, then I'll turn it back off so you see how it will look without the lights, okay? So I barely touched it on this side, so I didn't have to use the other brush. But yeah, let's put it all over my face because the foundation that I use is a little bit lighter than my skin tone because I couldn't find my L'Oreal one. So, alrighty, I think we're bronzed. So let's try the other one. I have my beauty blender. I'm gonna get it a little bit wetter. I'm just using Smashbox Primerizing. And let's get this sponge and the glow cream. And she said to put it in their high points right here, and I'm gonna put it right here, maybe right here, and I'm gonna put a little bit here. So, and this cream alone should be enough if you just wanted to do that, but I wonder if I should do it with mine. I like to put it like a little bit up here too. I love glow. I'm putting a lot, probably more than what I need. Just to put on the Cupid's bow, but my lips are already, I already put lipstick, so I don't know if I can see anything, but I can see it in here on my mirror. Let me just blend it a little bit better with my fingers. Okay, so are we ready? I think that's pretty, that's perfect if you, during the day, you want to go to work, but let's see which one to use. Glasses, please. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Super Glow. Oh, I have another Super Glow from Natasha Denona. I will insert that as, I will swatch both. Okay, let's use my Pour, well, actually that new blush that I invented, and I'm gonna put it on this one over here. Maybe this is too much. And she uses this as well, circular motion. So circular motion. Beautiful. Okay, let's do the other side, friends. Holding the brush so I don't like press it too much. Holding it from the very end. Very pretty. And with that powder, with the Super Glow, I will still go to work. Don't even think about it. It will be perfect. So let me just, I have a little napkin over here. So I'm just, let me clean the brush very quick, and I'm gonna go into, now the new formula on the highlighter that she launched with this palette was that guy. And that guy is called, glasses please, Glow Impact Powder, which is, oh, actually that one is a new one, I believe. I'm gonna have to read better, but because this one looks more like a powder, or feels more like a powder, that the one over here, which is the one called Super Glow, the one that is creamier. Did I put them in the wrong order? I'm gonna pause this. Let me look at the video one more time. On this one over here. Maybe this is too much. And she uses this as well, circular motion. So circular motion. Beautiful. Okay, let's do the other side, friends. Holding the brush so I don't like press it too much. Holding it from the very end. Very pretty. And with that powder, with the Super Glow, I will still go to work. Don't even think about it. It will be perfect. So now the new formula on the highlighter that she launched with this palette was that guy. And that guy is called, glasses please, Glow Impact Powder. So This Glow Impact is the one that is a new formula, and I will describe, or I will read the description of each one of the pans from the website while I'm doing the swatches, okay? So let's go with this one, and this color is supposed to be the one that is gonna let the gods see that I'm here. Yes. Okay. Let's take a breath and be ready. Oh yes, honey, can you see me? I'm here. Wow, wow. And I didn't think I was gonna like this palette more than what I like the palette, this bloom palette, but oh yes. Okay, let's try the other side. Oh God, yes, yes. You know what? Who am I kidding? I wear all of it every day. Every day. This is gonna be my vanity for faux show. Um, very pretty. Okay, my final thoughts on this palette. If you have been thinking about buying it, go for it. Go for it. It's beautiful. I believe it's perfect for my skin tone. Based on how pigmented this was, this powder will show up in a variety of skin tones, darker than me for sure. So this didn't disappoint. The glow, very pretty. It looks dark in the pan, but when you put it on, it's a very beautiful highlighter. And these two powders are just to die for. So this is the order. Uno, bronzer. Dos, cream glow. Tres, the super glow. And cuatro, the glow impact. Do it in that order and you're gonna get this beautiful honey can you see me look. Okay, so go ahead and you have many places you can buy from the Natasha Denona website. You can buy it from Beautylish, you can buy it from Sephora. I saw that it was still in stock at Sephora. Will highly recommend. You will not be disappointed, especially if you decide you don't have a bronzer and you've been thinking about it. I like the way that you have everything in here, one palette, one look. Okay, well, thank you for spending this time with me while we share this beautiful palette, and I will see you in my next video. And do not forget to subscribe.